Okay guys, in today's video I am going to be showing you how to register your account on Nextel. Yes, I'm literally going to show you how to open your Nextel account in few minutes. So if you want to know how to register on Nextel, this particular video is for you. So without wasting much of our time, for you to get registered on Nextel, you need to have your e-token or e-pin, and you also have the link that you want to use for your registrations. So which is what I have right here. As you can see, here is my registration link which I got from my upline. Then here is my e-token which I'm going to use to carry out this registration successfully. So what you have to do is, after getting your token ready and your link, now head over to click on the link that you want to use to sign up your account. Let's say your upline link or your coach link. You can just tap on the link like this. So after clicking on the link, it's going to take you to the Nextel website where you have to fill in your information. For example, right here, you just need to enter your full name. So for the purpose of this video, I am going to use this. Now you enter your email address. So I just insert my email address. Username, I'm going to enter BigJorex. You see, then phone number, I am going to enter my phone number right here. Now country, click on the country to select the country that you are in or you are from. Now from Nigeria, so I select Nigeria. So this particular place says promo code. Note, I've already clicked on my upline link, so the promo code is already there. You see blessed CEO right there. Now this is where I have to enter my password. You know, this is confidential stuff, so password must remain hidden. So I have to enter my password right there. You see, now I'm going to hide the password so that you guys will not see. You know, it's a confidential stuff, so I'll just have to enter my password right here. So I have entered my password. You can go through the informations again to ensure that everything's are okay. So since everything is now okay, I will now head over and click on agree to the terms and conditions and privacy. Understand, privacy policy. So you just click on agree. I agree. So the last thing you have to do is just tap on sign up. Click on sign up like this, and it's going to take you to your dashboard. You see, I click on save. Whenever you register your accounts like this, ensure to click on save when you are using Chrome. If you just submit anything that has to do with password and username, it's going to require you clicking on saved. So it will really helps you a lot in order for you not to forget your password. So this is the mistake that many people usually do. Some people will just leave it like that until the pop-up disappear without clicking on save. So when you click on save, whenever you forget your password, all you have to do is just to come right here, click on your browser. You just tap on this three dash icon right here. You click on it. Now you scroll to settings. After you go to settings, now you go to Google password. So once you come here, you are going to see your password and the username that you use. So this is not what we want to do on this video. So I will go back. Now I have to enter my transaction pin. You know, transaction pin is 4 digits. The transaction pin should be 4-digit pin, just like your normal ATM pin for withdrawal. So it's also confidential, so I have to hide it. So I have entered my password. You have to enter your transaction pin right here and also enter it here. You now proceed to click on set pin. So after clicking on this, note, this is what you are going to be using whenever you want to place withdrawal on Nextel or whenever you want to withdraw your Nextel money. So that's what you are going to use. I will now head over and click on set pin. Everything is correct. You see that pin created, so I am good to go. So just head over now and click on continue. After clicking on continue, you see that my Nextel account is ready. Understand? So I am good to go now. My Nextel account is ready, 100% ready. So this is how to successfully open your Nextel account to start earning. So on my next video, I am going to show you how to set up your profile and how to make money on Nextel. So make sure to like this video, leave a comment in the comment section, subscribe to this channel, and send this video to other people to also benefit. See you on the next video. Bye.